fog. So beautiful.
It's actually really nice against the sun, isn't it?
Tell me your Instagram again.
Just my name, Jason Coupland.
There you go. You'll get followers now. Thank you for coming to Socializing the truck. You got your truck here?
No. I've only just started driving, to be honest.
Really? Do you like it?
Yeah, it's alright. Try finding a job though. Nightmare.
Yeah, first pass, it's hard because they want experience, but for experience you need to get a job first.
Same.
Yeah, photo with you.
Yeah, of course we can. Oh my god, Lexine HG, can I please have your autograph? Please. Oh, thank you so much.
There we go.
I love you. Oh, thank you.
I didn't even recognise you. I've been stuck for about 15 minutes at the truck and didn't even recognise you.
Yeah, good man, you?
Yeah, the only reason I booked.
Oh, was it?
Oh my god, you guys are awesome. Wow. That is so cool. Look how cool it is. Show me your sticker.
That's my sticker.
Yes! You're on! Oh, is that
Subscribe.
I do.
Didn't you have your night shift cancelled on the way and they still paid you for it?
So I did a day shift. I still would have been back in.
Cause we have a date. Maybe I can't wait.
You go look.
Great to put it there to like reduce your heat on it. A lot more taste. Big one.
Do something. I do. Oh.
The flames are a bit violent at the moment.
every time it gets you, doesn't it?
Do you know what you're doing? Do you know what you're doing?
I hope so.
I hope so.
Otherwise, I'm a bit scared.
You just do what I do, don't you? You wing it, don't you? Yeah.
Couldn't lift it then.
Yeah. Subscribe to Trucking Around with Jono because I'm the far superior YouTuber. I mean, I've got less subscribers, but that's because I'm more unique. Come on, faster. Come on, work out.
Sleep time.
Sleep time.
Sorry, my take a
Terrible.
while. This is my work.
See, if you clean your truck, you don't get dirty when you touch it.
When you what? Clean it.
When you clean your truck, you don't get dirty when you touch it.
That is a fact.
Don't forget your brake. There you go. That's it.
Lovely.
It's been nice.
Awesome. Bye, guys. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for coming.
Bye, Nazar. I hope you win.
Thank
You
you.
deserve it.
We'll see. If it comes second or third, then I'm going to get some baffles in it like Jono said, make it even louder.
Yeah, yeah. Bye. Thank you so much.
You need to move, I can move.
You guys are amazing. You're helpful and lovely, and honestly, it's been amazing. Too fast. Is it straight to get out? Thank you. Thank you very much. See you next time. Thank you. See you next time. Nice. Tight, isn't it? Bye. Bye, girls. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. See you next time. Is that the way out? Is that the way out? Thank you. And we're off. That was a massive success. It was lots and lots of fun. I've caught up with all of our YouTubers. I've caught up with all of the public that were there. And it was absolutely incredible. I loved it tremendously. Now I'll have to get out of here somehow. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure. Thank you. Bye. Now to navigate these little tiny roads. Look how beautiful it looks here. You can still see all the trucks. Lovely. People want beeping, people want lights, people want happiness. Oh, it's been so good. Beep beep. Nice, very nice. What a show it was. Showed off Troca, showed off Trevor, showed off all of my YouTube skills. Lovely. Thank you for coming with me, guys. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. Now I've got an hour drive and then sleep, and I'm back to work tomorrow. Loading somewhere, unloading somewhere. Scotland. Tomorrow I'm going to Scotland after I'm loaded. This celebration is over. Thank you for coming. Thank you for enjoying it with me. Subscribe, hit the bell. Follow me on Instagram so you get the locations of where I'm at. Threads, X, Facebook, TikTok. What a lovely, lovely weekend. The roads are tight no matter which way you go. Thank you.